Most people hear city noise. I don't just hear that. I hear birds, the wind, my neighbor's rooster, and food growing. Right here in the middle of the city, I've been creating my own little food system, one plant at a time. Here I'm getting some scotch bonnet peppers, and I'm telling you, this plant right here has been doing so well. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. I thank you all so much for tuning in. I always appreciate you all and God bless you all. So yes, today I am harvesting, all my ripe fruits and veggies in my garden because, you know, I need to allow the plants to replenish themselves, basically just focus on giving me more. Okay, so let's get these tomatoes. There's just something different about walking outside and picking what you're going to use in the kitchen or share with someone. It's like so peaceful. There's no rush, no stress, just nature, fresh air, and real food. It is such a blessing. Getting these red West Indian peppers. Man, I really love to use these. They are so flavorful. Season your pots very nicely. A lot of people think you need acres of land to live like this, but you really don't. Even in the middle of the city, you can grow abundance. And honestly, the more food I grow, the more connected and peaceful I feel. Getting these banana peppers right here. Getting some more red West Indian peppers. More scotches over here. Let's get these pear tomatoes. I've been harvesting so many without you. Oh my word. If I'm not sure about anything in my garden, man, I can always count on my June plum tree to give me a snack on a daily. Some of you would have heard me mention in my previous video about my cherries, how they were looking diseased. So I noticed when they were green, they were looking like that, most of them. And then I was thinking, just to get rid of them and prune back the tree and spray them down and all of that. So what I did was to add some diatomaceous earth, you can see on there, and was hoping for a miracle, but it didn't happen. I remember, like I said in my previous video, growing up, my grandmother cherry tree looked like that at one point, and I don't remember if it was ever fixed or whatever, but I decided that, all right, I'm going to take off all of these cherries and leaves and just spray down the plant with some garlic water with marigold. You can see I'm getting blossoms. There are a lot of green cherries on there. If they were all ripened, you would have seen how loaded this little plant is. But that's just how it is. You win some and you lose some. I'm pretty sure it will get better. I have a little strawberry on here. Such a cutie. And I do have blooms coming along. So I haven't planted out these strawberries as yet. I don't think I will. I think I'm going to just line this container, cherry tree container, with them inside. Let's get these pomegranates around here. While the traffic is moving, people rushing, noise everywhere, I'm out here listening to birds and picking food. And every time I harvest something, it reminds me why I started this journey in the first place. It's not just to save money, not just for healthier food, but for freedom, peace of mind, and the feeling of knowing I can provide something for myself. Even if it is small, a start is always good. One container, one grow bag, one fruit tree, it all will add up over time. This garden keeps teaching me patience, consistency, gratitude, and how powerful nature really is. And honestly, I think more people need this connection again. Not perfection, not a huge farm, just a small space and the willingness to grow something. I am getting these gungu or pigeon peas. Let's get this burgundy okra. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. No, I'm telling you, there's nothing like growing what you eat and eating what you grow.
Come garden with me now, man.